What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here is the contact information of the 3 major credit bureaus. The 3 major credit bureaus are important to contact if you are going to be repairing your credit score. The major 3 credit agencies can help you by sending you your credit report. If you find an error on your credit report, these are also the companies you must contact to correct the problem. You can easily contact these organizations by mail, telephone, or through the internet. Equifax Credit Information Services Incorporated. Address: P.O. Box 740241. Atlanta, Georgia 30374. Telephone: 1-888-766-0008. Online: www.equifax.com. TransUnion LLC Consumer Disclosure Center. Address: P.O. Box 1000. Chester, Pennsylvania 19022. Telephone: 1-800-888-4213. Online: www.duc.com. Experian National Consumer Assistance Center. Address: P.O. Box 2002. Allen, Texas 75013. Telephone: 1-888-397-3742. Online: www.experian.com. You may want to note this information wherever most of your financial information is kept so that you can easily contact the bureaus whenever you need to. Your local yellow pages should also have the contact information of these credit agencies as well. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.